Want to snag that giant TV or patio set from Costco, but your wallet's feeling a little light? Affirm might be your answer. Letting you break down those big Costco purchases into manageable monthly payments, let's dive into how to use Affirm at Costco. First things first, eligibility. Affirm assesses your creditworthiness during the application process. So you'll need to provide some personal information like your name, date of birth, and social security number. Head to Affirm's website or app to start your application. Once approved, you'll see your available spending limit. Keep in mind that approval and the interest rate you receive depends on your credit. For online purchases, add your desired items to your Costco.com cart, and during checkout, select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be redirected to Affirm to complete the transaction using your approved limit. Using Affirm in store is a bit different at the register. Let the cashier know you'd like to pay with Affirm. They'll likely use a mobile POS system where you can select Affirm as your payment option. You may need to log into your Affirm account on the device to finalize the purchase. And that's it. Now you can enjoy those Costco treasures without breaking the bank all at once. Remember to manage your Affirm payments responsibly to maintain a good credit score.